Hello everyone, here we are with another project and this one is iTouch 2. As you can see here, what we got are several folders which the first one is the help files. It is recommended to watch them and read them first. It will be very helpful and it will make you work with the project way more easily. The other folders are different parts of the project. For example, this one, when I open it, you can see that it has an After Effects file. You can use them separately, or you can use iTouch 2 app mockup kit to open all the projects together. Okay, here we are in After Effects application, and here you can see different folders which we saw them in the file explorer here, and we have them all in the After Effects already. The first one is Real Mockup Kit. As you can see here, we have two folders, Mockup and Footage. Mockup is all about the templates which you can use to insert your image of application or website, and it's kind of a template for using your websites, applications, or other stuff. After that, uh, we have footage. Footage are used for showing a little movie about a person using a phone, tablet, or another device. Okay, here I have opened the composition, and as you can see in the timeline, there are some markers which can show you on which second what will happen. For example, the first one is click, and here we have zoom. Now I'm going to add some image into my mockup. I simply drag the image here. I'm going to add some more image to my project panel, and here I'm going to open the mockup. The compositions which have number are the main compositions, and the holders are the ones that you put your image inside them and it will be added to your footage. I'm going to open an image here. Now I'm going to open another holder, add an image to it. Now you can see what will happen to the image. Okay, I'm going to open another mockup and show you another example. As you can see again, the number is the main footage, and the holders are the ones which we add image to them. For example, this footage, in this one I can set the first holder to a dark screen, so it seems like the user is actually turning the device on, and after that the application or website will be shown on the device screen, just like this. I'm going to add some image to the holder, And again, I'm going to check my footage. Beautifully done. Okay, good. Now I'm going to talk about color presets. Here we can see the color presets folder, which contains 15 color presets. To install them, I'm going to copy them all to my After Effects directory, which is right here for me. I'm going to presets folder and paste the color presets here. Now here I'm going to rename it to iTouch 2 so I know which folder is doing what. Now I'm going back to After Effects window. Here in Effects and Presets, I'm going to click on the tab. As you can see, it's kind of loading something. If you actually don't see them or the presets are unloaded, all you have to do is going here, find iTouch, and click on Refresh List on the bottom of the drop down. Yeah. Now I'm going to use the preset colors. To do that, I have to add a new layer, which is an adjustment layer. And here I can simply use the color presets by dragging them on top of the adjustment layer and use them. And you can see that I'm adding different preset colors, but if I want to use a new one, I delete the previous one and then add a new preset color. Okay, we are done here. Now I'm going to use the digital section. Um, it is a digital explainer senses, well, which is again included several folders, which all of them have different mockups. For example, this one has several layers for text and icons. Here you can see the different layers which are distinguished by the color. As you can see, the yellow ones are text and the cyan are icons. You can simply choose them and edit them. Okay, here I'm going to edit the text simply by double clicking on it. And here I'm going to edit an icon. I'm going to find it here. To change icons, you have to open icons folder in the project panel, and when you want to change an icon, you have to hold Alt in Windows or Option in Mac, and then drag the icon on top of the related icon layer, just like that. I'm going to change another icon. Simply, it will be changed. Okay, to change the image in every scene, you have to open this folder. You can see that we have a holder and we have a main composition. To change the image, I'm going to choose the holder and simply drag an image in the holder, and just like this, I have added an image to my footage. Now here I'm going to explain and to add an image or a video as the background of my footage. I'm going to import an image here, and simply by dragging it on the lower layer we can see that it will appear as the background of my footage. To make it look better, you can use the blur effect. Here I'm going to use the blur effect, and you can see that the background image is blurred and the details in front are more clear. Now we have a layer called color setting. In color setting we can change the colors, color of text and elements on my footage. Okay, the next folder is iOS UI Kit, which is all about the elements of iOS. It's divided to iPad and iPhone, and you can use different elements on those devices on your footage. I'm going to use some of these elements so you know how to use them on your own project. The first one is the top bar. Okay, I'm adding a background here. So the combination of the background and the top bar will make a real background. Now I'm going to talk about the gestures and devices. You can see that they have their own folder, and the first one here is suggested to be used in your project because they are all animated and they are ready to use. So all you have to do is use them. Okay, here I'm going to create a new composition, and I'm going to use one of these devices here in my new composition. I'm going to copy it, and then in the new composition I simply paste the composition. Okay, here you can see it is animated and ready to use. Now I'm going to the gesture folder, and I'm choosing one of the gestures, for example this one. I'm going to rotate it by changing these properties. Now you can see that it's animating and the gesture is the way I want it. Now what I'm going to do is to sync the gesture with the device behind it so that the hand is pointing on the exact location I want it. I'm going to sync these two compositions together, just like that. I'm going to change the position again. As you can see, the location of the hand is getting changed. Okay, I think we explained everything. Again, I'm going to thank you for buying iTouch 2. If you had any questions, we would be more than happy to answer all your questions. Just send us an email using our profile page. Thank you very much.